Hey everybody, this is Kyle with Green Apple DIY and Murphy Services. Today we're taking care of a really gross rug. This rug has been destroyed, devastated by some dogs. By all accounts, it is trash. That's why we're cleaning it outside. I don't want it inside the shop. I don't want it inside the house. So we're gonna show you a quick and effective way to get rid of doggy smells, hair, and just all around general filth. So let's begin. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna use an oxygenated cleaner that has enzymes in it that's gonna actually eat away at the urine, feces, whatever else, what other kind of biological soils are in the carpet. If you don't have access to commercial cleaners, like today we're gonna be using a hospital grade disinfectant. We wanna really saturate all the fibers and make sure this thing is gonna be super clean. You can use OxyClean, you can use hydrogen peroxide, you could even use isopropyl alcohol, things like that. So the idea is we wanna soak it really good and then we're gonna let it sit and then we'll steam clean it all up. Okay, so since this was so nasty, we went ahead and rinsed it out, scrubbed it, let it sit, scrubbed it again, squeegeed it out. I'm gonna leave the enzymes on it for a little bit and let it think about what it's done. And then we're gonna come back to it and hit it with the carpet machine. Okay, so the rug has sat for a couple of hours with the enzymes on it. And now we've squeegeed it a little bit more and we're gonna go ahead and use a carpet extractor, which will blast nearly 200-degree water into the carpet, and we'll give it a final rinse and just make sure it's nice and dry. We'll put a fan on it. If this is something you don't have, don't worry. You can do this with a hose, hot water, like I mentioned, chemicals like household chemicals, even laundry detergents, and then just make sure you rinse it out really good with lots of hose water. And then if you have a shop vac, you can do what I'm doing. It just takes longer and it's not as thorough, but you can do it. Everything's been gone over thoroughly. We've let the water and the chemicals flush through the rug, so every part of the fibers have been touched. We're gonna put a dryer on this and it should be ready for pickup within a few hours.